KSQ was founded back in 2015. It was founded on the belief that by having genome-scale insights into the genetic drivers of disease and cell function, we'll uncover novel biology and novel targets for drug development. And so with that in mind, we developed a CRISPR platform that we call CRISPR-Omics. It allows us to functionally interrogate every single gene in the genome, but to do so in an in vivo setting that replicates the disease environment, so that we can, in an unbiased manner, identify the top targets for drug development. ETIL stands for Engineered Tumor Infiltrating Lymphocytes. It's a term that we have actually trademarked. TILs are tumor infiltrating lymphocytes, so they are T cells that have found their way into the tumor. However, in that immunosuppressive tumor microenvironment, they get exhausted and are not able to function optimally. This is where we come in. We take those T cells from that tumor and we knock out genes that are holding the full potential of that T cell back. And so by taking the brakes off this T cell, we're able to really supercharge these T cells with potency, persistency, and memory formation. And so when we give these ETIL back to the patient, they're able to find their way into the tumor and kill the tumor cells. Maybe when I was 10 or 11 years old, and we were actually living in Nigeria because my father was on an expat assignment. And so we lived in this beautiful expat community that was gated. We had swimming pools and tennis courts, but right outside of that gated community was a completely different world, full of poverty and just poor health. And very often I would see children walking miles trying to collect clean drinking water. And so that had a tremendous impact on me at a very young age and really influenced me, my personality and my leadership style. It taught me to be humble, it taught me to be grateful, it taught me to be thankful, not to take anything for granted. And really that's the core values that I've taken forward in my own personal life and into my leadership style.